Sir, I am P. Sursha. This is my project. My project is season. There are three seasons: summer season, winter season, rain season. First, we see summer season. Summer season is very hot day season. Winter season is very cold season. Rainy season is very wet season because it rains a lot. That's all. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning. Happy morning, sir. I am winter season. I am I am this is festival. I am festivals. Diwali, Christmas, Sankranti, Eid. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, ma. I am T. Ganyashti. This is my project. My sin project. My project is finished. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. I am yesterday. This is part of a bench. This is note, jump, move, forward, note. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. I am Yasta Windaj. My project is solar system. Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you.
What is this? What is the topic is? They say animal forest.
Animal forest.
Animal forest. Say
Animal forest. Sir, this is this is sun, rainy season, kite, cloud. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, ma'am. Happy morning, sir. I am yesterday. This is project. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, touch. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. I am Peppa Princess. Yes. Happy morning. Yes. Robert, yes. Termus here. Jesus here. Maya here. Jesus here. Happy morning, sir. I am assignment. My project. Rainbow rays. 7. Violet, yellow, blue, red, yellow, orange. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, ma'am. I am Navini Sai. Wide Doubles Carnival. Thank you. Happy morning, ma'am. Happy morning, sir. This I am UKG. This is Rocket. Thank you. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. Happy morning, ma'am. I am Z Bhavana. Happy morning, ma'am. This is Rosie. This is this is K. Gavitran. This is my project. Magic stick. Thank you. Happy morning, ma'am. I am I am yes Aminavan. Happy morning, sir. I am P. Kirtika. I am studying KG. The topic is rainbow. Rainbow is 7 colors: violet, indigo, blue, green, orange, yellow, yellow, and red. Thank you. This is B. My topic is B. We have 5 eyes. Thank you. Happy morning, sir. I am V. Shubhasti. My topic is severe. Happy morning, sir. I am R.K. Karkimidun. This is automatic juice. Test alarm. Thank you, sir. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, ma'am. I am P. Alvika. This is aircraft. Aircraft fly in the air. Numbers are airplane, helicopter, starship, and gliders. Airplane, cockpit, pilot cabin. This is fuselage, passenger place. Engine. This is empennage. Tail. This is tail. Happy morning, sir. Happy morning, ma'am. I am Bhavani G. I am studying UKG. First, my topic name is solar system. First, Sun. Next, Mercury. Next, Uranus. Sir, P. Rachita, water source. River, bump, bont. Lake. See, thank you. 7 colors. Ah, 7 colors. Red, blue, orange, yellow, green, indigo, blue, and red. What a target. What is the sun. Thank you. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Sun topic. Thank you. Good morning, sir. I am Sri. I am My project is thank you.